Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. I am back with another video. It is a very useful and informative video for all the beginners to learn. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel for more tech related informative topics. Now let's get into the video. The topic of my today's video is cloud computing. In this video we're gonna discuss about the introduction, characteristics, types, architecture, components, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion. Introduction. Cloud computing is internet-based computing whereby shared resources, software and information are provided to computers and other devices on demand like the electricity grid. Cloud computing is a paradigm shift following the shift from mainframe to client server in the early 1980s. Details are abstracted from the users who no longer have need of expertise in or control over the technology infrastructure in the cloud that supports them. Characteristics of cloud computing. It is self-healing, service-oriented, linearly scalable, SLA driven, virtualized and flexible. Types of cloud computing. Public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud. These three are the types of cloud computing. So firstly we're gonna discuss about public cloud. Public clouds are made available to the general public by a service provider who hosts the cloud infrastructure. Generally, public cloud providers like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft and Google own and operate the infrastructure and offer access over the internet. With this model, customers have no visibility or control over where the infrastructure is located. It is important to note that all customers on public clouds share the same infrastructure pool with limited configuration, security, protections, and availability vacancies. Private cloud. Private cloud is cloud infrastructure dedicated to a particular organization. Private clouds allow businesses to host applications in the cloud while addressing concerns regarding data security and control, which is often lacking in a public cloud environment. It is not shared with other organizations, whether managed internally or by a third party, and it can be hosted internally or externally. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid clouds are compositions of two or more clouds, private, community or public, that remain unique entities but are bound together, offering the advantages of multiple development models. In a hybrid cloud, you can leverage third-party cloud providers in an entire, full or partial manner, increasing the flexibility of computing. Augmenting a traditional private cloud with the resources of a public cloud can be used to manage any unexpected sugars in the workload. Architecture. Cloud architecture. The systems architecture of the software systems involved in the delivery of cloud computing typically involves multiple cloud components communicating with each other over application programming interfaces, usually web services. Components. Software as a service, also known as SaaS. SaaS refers to software that's made available as a web-based service. Platform as a service, PaaS, delivers development environment as a service. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, refers to computer infrastructure, example virtualization, that's delivered as a service. Cloud-based web services, similar to SaaS. Web services in the cloud allow you to offer services online such as credit card processing services, employee payroll processing or viewing an interactive map. Managed service providers, MSP, the grandfather of cloud computing. An MSP delivers applications to IT instead of end users. Advantages: flexibility. There is a high rate of flexibility when using cloud computing because people can opt out of using it whenever they want to. Low cost. Companies can save big by employing cloud computing as it eliminates cost of hardware and software. Disadvantages: dependency. One major disadvantage of cloud computing is user dependency on the provider. Internet users don't have their data stored with them. Risk: cloud computing services means taking services from remote servers. There is always insecurity regarding stored data because users don't have control over their requires a constant internet connection. Conclusion: so while cloud computing is really great and you are probably already using it entire for business or for personal means, it's a much better way to spread your resources and it becomes easier to assess things for longer distance. So guys, that's it. That's the end of my today's video. Thank you for watching.